Beautiful Sunday morning. We are out cruising the Oslo fjord.
Blue dew, blue moon.
It's for the cake.
Kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit.
Evet buradan dere ah.
It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make?
Hello guys and hello everybody and welcome to AJ's house. Today we are going to have our first guest for spring summer. It's a beautiful weather. We are looking forward to having guests. I'm going to steal some flowers in the garden and I'm going to decorate upstairs. I'm going to make a nice table setting and I'm taking you guys with me. Come on guys.
I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
The tulipan here, they have opened a little bit too much.
Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All the stars start to heal when I'm with you. I can't explain. Just give a little.
This is how my flower turned out.
It's
Looking nice. Yeah, it's old flower. I just add something from the garden. Is the drink good? And some cocktail. Table is set.
I think you might need to stand while you drink this. Yeah.
The big kettle.
There we go. That's
I double the thing. Is it okay?
We tripled it.
Oh, as you can see, the kids have already been drinking here. The table is looking nice. It's so flourish and so nice. What do you guys think about the table?
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Yeah, it looks like summer.
Yes. It feels like summer.
Looks beautiful.
Probably looks like it.
Bare sitt ned. Jeg filmer ikke ansiktet dere. Jeg vet hvordan dere er. I just film only AB's face. Difficulty of being a YouTuber. I love filming. It can be very difficult with family and friends. Sometimes you have to learn to respect their boundaries, especially when they do not want their face on your social media platform.
What are you doing? For cake. Abby, that's for the cake.
It's a difficult job. I'm warming some milk, some there which is cream,
Milk
and
and
some
cream.
sugar, and we're supposed to have vanilla, but we don't have vanilla, so
So,
we use some
caramel.
caramel.
Salted caramel.
So we are making a lemon cake. Tell me guys if you want to see me make a lemon cake or something like this.
Okay.
Good. I'm going to make it now. You know that the thing I just oh.
This looks like Kevin.
Kids.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
You want to go to it?
Kids.
Oh. Yeah. Lemon cake.
Did you want cake? Let's go. You were pumping iron.
No, you're not spoiled. Nothing spoiled. Son, you're faint. What do you think, Natalia?
That's good.
Yeah.
Can't wait to try it.
A beautiful Sunday morning, we are out cruising the Oslo fjord. So beautiful. There you have Poland, Asker, and Oslo.
Blue dude, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Blue too. Bad mood. Sorta witty and jaded, but let's not talk about you. Your coyote song.
That is it, guys. It's always so fun to get into the boat every summer for the first time. If you have a boat, invite me. I'm so coming. I love sailing. We were out waiting for color line to pass by, and there were many people in the middle of Oslo fjord also waiting for color line to pass by. They just wanted to catch the big wave. Anyway, I'm going to upload more of these later. Come back and watch more. See you guys. Have a beautiful one. Summer has just started. Bye.